Northeast Missouri, so stay tuned for this adventure that I'm about to embark on. I completely forgot to introduce myself, so if you're new here, hi, I'm Sydney. I quit my job a little under a year ago now, which is crazy, and I moved into my Volvo XC90, and I've been on the road for 5.5 months, and I'm currently heading east. I really have no idea what I'm getting myself into, other than there are a bunch of cool sights I want to see on the way. Like there's a mill, there's some wild horses, there's a waterfall, and it is 1:30, and I have a total of 4.5 hours of driving. So I'm gonna get there pretty late. And I have Spam and rice on the menu for tonight, so looking forward to that. I'm gonna drive on. I really need prescription sunglasses, but this will have to do. Gas was $2.77. That was the lowest I've had it ever on my trip. Next place is 21 minutes away. I think that's the horse place. Oh my gosh! So I'm heading to the next place, which is Wild Horses, apparently. Okay. So apparently the Wild Horses are like right next to a campground, so I have to go to the campground to like get out, which is right up here. Hopefully I'm not going to encroach on anyone. Oh. I think you go. Let's go through there to see the horses. That was so funny. I was like, I hope I'm not going to bother anybody. There's nobody here. Wait, holy. Do you guys see that? Do you see the horses? They're right there. I didn't think they'd actually be here. Was amazing. I can't believe that the horses were actually out. They're beautiful. Just smacked my rear view mirror. So the next place is a waterfall. The thing is that it's raining now, but it doesn't look far. If I want to go out and walk in this. It's right there, but I also have to go fetch my rain jacket, and I don't know where that is, my car. And then I'd have to go and get my feet all wet and dirty. I might cross this one off the list. Oh well. Camp is 37 minutes away. Oh, this looks so creepy. There's a fire tower up there. So apparently there's spots like at the end of this road right here. Well, it's supposed to be down this road. This all just looks really spooky. Okay, so basically the issue is that I was supposed to turn down that road down there, and there's a giant tree in front of it, and it looks really creepy and unkept. It's supposed to storm. I'm basically in a hurricane. I'm in like hurricane weather right now. And I have a feeling that if I stay this far deep in the woods, a bunch of branches are gonna fall and block me when I want to leave tomorrow. So I think I might just camp at the fire tower. I made it back to the fire tower. Camp. Where's my Spam, bruh? Here's my rice. I'm making Spam. I've only had it one other time in my life. The only time I've had Spam was on a ski weekend with people from my college, and this girl made Spam. Well, this is only a tad creepy. I feel like I'm attracting all the bears. I'm actually really scared of the whole bear thing right now. I don't know what I was thinking. This was so smelly. I should not have made dinner. I actually am very freaked out. Putting my oven away, my stove away. This is just gonna be dirty in my car. I have this plate of food and I need to eat it, but I'm so scared. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to eat as much as I can, and I think I might move to a campsite like over there and just get up in the morning and leave early. I'm almost like about to shake. Well, if this video gets posted, it's because I'm alive. Good. I didn't realize how hungry I was. I don't know if I finished the story about the Spam, but the girl on the ski trip gave me Spam. And it was so good. I was like, what the heck? Might be like, why are you eating outside? Because I don't want to make the rest of my car smell and like have an animal try to get in while I'm sleeping. I'm so scared, but I need to eat. Oh my god. Thank you, Dad. Thank you so much. I don't think I've ever needed spotlights more than tonight. I just realized one of the pieces of Spam fell on the ground after I put it on the plate, and I put it back on the plate so that nothing would eat it, so it wouldn't attract a bear. But I just realized I ate every single piece of Spam, so I ate the one that fell on the ground. That's so funny. Okay, I'm checking to see if there's even a place to like pull in. You're probably like, wow, that made such a difference in where you're camping before. Well, I don't know. I'm just spooked. I'm spooked. So moving my campsite, even if it is like just 50 yards, 30 yards, whatever, makes me feel a bit better. There are about 1 million bugs in here. The final leg of the journey is tomorrow. I'm going to Nashville. So this is what my map says. If you can even adjust to that. Oh my god. I'm going to watch an episode of Wild West stuff and then hit the hay. So good night, everybody. See you tomorrow. Good morning. I did not sleep good last night at all. Ever know which way my hair wants to go. For reference, I parked like right on that bank right there. I'm hoping and praying that there are no downed trees on the road out of here. No trees in the road. I have 5 hours and 6 minutes to go. I'm finally getting back on 40. I have not been on this highway in so long. It truly is. conversation, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you all for coming with me. I freaked myself out last night.
Use the right turn.
I think I hate driving in Nashville. But anyways, besides me freaking myself out last night, driving through Missouri was fun, and I'm going to continue to head east in the next couple videos, so stay tuned and I will see y'all then.